happy when the wizard is near. He turns tears into joy. Everyone's happy when the wizard walks behind.
Okay, so what I've got here is it's like a mid-50s Wizard Deluxe 12-inch box fan, model 6JC2013, made by Western Auto Supply Company. Bought this thing at a garage sale a couple towns away about 2 years ago. Excuse that buzzing noise in the background, that's the light timer. Well, it has to be cleaned again. I actually cleaned it up pretty well. It was never perfect, but it was clean. And it gets used a lot, and it's got all kinds of fur and stuff on it. I have to clean it. I did oil it before, though. It's a 3-speed fan. It works on all 3 speeds. You can see there's the original, the Wizard Breeze box. Original sticker, which I've covered up in packing tape. Seems like it's out of focus. And there's a small error. It says no radio of TV interference, not or. Original rubber handle. This fan is very heavy. This thing easily weighs more than the Galaxy box fan. I made a video of oil ports. It's a 4-pole shaded pole motor. It's very dirty, as you can see. It's very dusty, but it runs a lot. I just oiled it before. I oiled both the front and the rear bearing. I oil it every few months. There's the speed control. The switch is very smooth and kind of scratchy, but it works. It just doesn't click in a couple of positions anymore. The paint is starting to flake off of here. Got some corrosion and some oil and grease on the bottom. Original cord. I believe there's a circle with a 53 in it, so I believe it could be from 1953. Very quiet and moves a ton of air for its size. And this thing runs every single day. I guess I'll start it on low. Has a transformer and not a 3-speed motor. Low is a very low speed and throws a nice gentle breeze. Only really a few hundred RPM. Very quiet. Usually runs on high though. Medium. And high. Turning at about 1200 RPM, if I had to guess. The feet are actually still a little bit rubbery. It's a great spin down time, it's very smooth. I think it was $15. It's off. I believe it was $15 when I bought it. It was a little high, but it was well worth it. This replaced the 1960s Tempmaster box fan that was running in here before this, and that thing I took out. I had to clean it up. I have to pull the motor apart and oil it, clean the bushings real well, because it does run a little bit slow even though I've cleaned it and oiled it, but it is in much better shape than this one. Very long spin down time. Polished aluminum blades. There you go. Doesn't really have much of a startup sound. Maybe I'll make another video of this once I clean it up. I think I can do that. But yeah, thanks for watching. And that is the vintage Wizard Deluxe Breeze Box 12-inch box fan. Possibly from 1953. Thanks for watching.